morning. So in last week's vlog I said I was going to show you how to curl your hair, and I linked the Beauty Works Pro Style curler, and it's just a barrel, and I heat it up to 210 because I have quite frizzy hair, frizzy naturally curly hair, so I have it quite high. You don't have to have it that high if you've got finer hair. You could probably have it on like 180. So yeah, they heat up really quickly. Just be really careful, make sure you use a heat protection mat. So I'm going to give my hair a little brush. So yeah, I washed my hair last night and I blow dried it and slept on it, so luckily the frizz has kind of died down a bit. The best thing to do is curl your hair on a different day to when you, because curls hold better on slightly dirtier hair. So ideally I would curl this tomorrow for my type of hair, because my hair doesn't need washing for a few days. So yeah, I'm just using a little clip. I'm sectioning it off, just a small amount, and then I'm going to use this sort of amount, turn the one, and this has got a really long cable, which is great. So I'm going to turn it upside down for this side. This is the opposite side to what? To my, so I'm right-handed and this is my left-hand side. And I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds. And then I'm going to just gently hold it there for a couple of seconds and then moving on. Go all the way to the root. If you just wanted like the bottom doing, you can. Mine tends to drop quite a lot, especially on the first day while it's quite clean. So I'm going to go all the way to the root. So as you can see, I've got quite a lot of hair. So even though it's not very long, it still takes me, probably will take me about 20-25 minutes. As you can see, 25 minutes later, my hair is done. I'm going to give it a light spritz. Actually, I'll brush it out first. I'm not going to brush it out a lot, because ideally I would have left it a bit long before I brushed it out. But I'm on my way to work, so using my wet brush, and then I'm going to do a really light spray, hairspray, using my Monat Refinish Control Hairspray, so it's not a sticky one, so I can brush it again later and tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'll be uploading this vlog tomorrow. So my vlogs at the moment are in real time. I'm not filming much ahead of time, just because I was on holiday, and yeah, ever since I've been back I've been a bit slack on the vlogging, I'm afraid, but I am back to business. And yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my health kicks. So I'm sure so many people are feeling the same at the moment, like with the weather changing. Loads of people have got colds and flus and all sorts of stuff. Like the kids going back to school, things reopening. I feel like things, like we're getting ill because not many people like got like the standard like cold or flu last year. So people are suffering. And I also feel like I've got a bit of hay fever, which I don't know if that's even possible. Who knows? It's October. So if anyone else has got hay fever at the moment, or like couldn't like let me know what it is, like let me know please, thank you. So yeah, I will stop chaffing and I'm going to show you my new order. So I normally use Huel for protein. I've been using them for a long time, get on really well with it, like the flavours, and you just mix Huel with water. But I decided to do my protein order because I had a discount code, which if anyone wants, just message me and I will share that. I think it was like 40% off. So I'm going to open that with you. I also wanted to share a couple of my vitamins. So I religiously take vitamins. I'm really good with it. I actually have such a variety. I've got another few actually, but I don't want to overload anyone, because if you don't take vitamins, like, this is a good place to start. These are absolutely delicious. Apple cider vinegar, I've wanted to start for years, but I've always been too scared because everyone says it tastes disgusting. These are so good. Like, I'm going to be ordering another batch of them. These are vegan gummies. Oh, these are insane. They're so yummy as well. So yeah, these are from my vitamins, and I also had a discount code as well. So if you want that, I will link it below. I also take a good old Barocca because I like the taste of it, to be honest. Oh, there we are. So this is an energy one, vitamin B1 and B2, and some other bits and pieces. So these are yummy, and that's orange flavour, sugar free. So one of those, I do a little glass of it with water. These are also some skin youth tablets I take. I got these from my facial lady. She sells these, but I have seen a few other people. They're advanced nutrition. So yeah, and then I will take sometimes a bit of cranberry or magnesium. I'm vegetarian, so I do like to always keep up with all of this. And then the protein shakes, I actually like it for convenience. So I'm going to get into this with you. Love it when you've forgotten what you've ordered and then you see. Ooh. So I was reading up on these. Liquid L-carnitine amino acids. So I do quite a few workout sessions a week. I've got a couple of PTs that I go to, and I was reading on this online. These really help boost your workouts, and bonus, they are vegan. So I'm only veggie, but any opportunity I can to get vegan stuff, I will. Yeah, so I personally don't think dairy products are that great for people. So yes, obviously I do eat dairy, but when I can, I won't. So I've got these break bars, chocolate, I mean, couldn't resist them. And I bought oh look, vegan again. I was like, I just need to try these, need to compare these. So I got a little taster one of those, a few different flavours, caramel and chocolate. Oh, look at that, that's a brownie bar. Yummy! So I've bought I actually bought the diet one this time because I've just got back from holiday, and yeah, I thought I've never bought diet protein stuff, but I thought, yeah, coming up to Christmas, I wouldn't mind losing a couple of pounds and just feeling really good, because I always struggle like January time with food. I find winter I am a little bit of a little mouse, and I'm sat at home pigging out. Yeah, and obviously drinking and eating loads over Christmas. So I bought vanilla flavour, can't go wrong with vanilla, always love the vanilla ones. And the chocolate, so this is a big one. So yeah, they did loads of different sizes in this, which I thought was really good. So I've got the mini vanilla one and I've got the big chocolate. So hopefully these go with water. See if it says it on here. Ingredients. Right, add 2 large scoops to water or milk. Cool. I will try it with both. Huel I found was way too thick to add with any sort of milk, so I used to have it with water and just chill it for a couple of hours, and it was lush. So yeah, I'll give this a go. Sometimes they are better with milk, sometimes they're better with water, but if I do put them with milk, I either use soya or almond or oat. So yeah. Right. Has anyone ever used this brand of protein? And is there any other protein things that you can recommend for me? With being veggie, I need to make sure I'm getting a good amount of protein, and any little tips would be great. I couldn't resist. I'm eating the brownie bar already. I mean, it's 11:15, so is that brunch? Sorry, I've got brownie in my mouth. So I don't take these all at the same time. So I've got some Women's Health. Got these from Daylesford. Cranberry and vitamin C. I've got collagen boost from Monat. This is delicious as well. Just add a little scoop to water. Magnesium reduces tiredness and fatigue. And then these bad boys, which I need to read up on.